Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? Thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. I am back to teach you another line dance. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, you want to dance to the music? This is just the instructional. Watch till the end and I'll pin the video right here in this corner, okay? Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. It's next year, but it'll be here before you know it. You can book your room right now, and registration opens June 1st, 2023 of this year. For all the details, to book your room, registration, everything is spelled out for you at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. And I'll see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. So guys, let's go. So this one is When the Clock Strikes. Okay? Beautiful music. The late Whitney Houston. You can't go wrong, right? So, it's perfect for beginners. There's 2 parts. It's a one-wall dance and a small tag. Come on, guys. Let's check it out. So, stand on this side here, and we're just going to start with a travel step, a weave, okay? And we're going to start with the weight on the left, and we're going to the left, crossing over with our right leg. So whenever the verse, okay, you're going to do this part here, okay? So the weight is on the left, and you're going to cross to the front with the right leg. 1, 2, back, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. And you repeat the other, going in the opposite direction with the opposite leg. Weight is on the right. You weave to your right, stepping on your left leg. It's 1, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of doing a triple, I'm going to do a half turn on 7 and 8 with my shoulder coming back, half turn. Left, right, left. Okay? Now, I'm basically doing this 4 times on the front and the back wall. Okay? So I cross over, weight is on the left, and I cross over with my right, and I weave to the front. 1, 2, back, 3, step, 4, 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Weight is on the right. I'm going to go to my right, weave it to my left, and on 7 and 8, I'm going to make a half turn with my shoulder coming back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back, 7, and 8. Okay? And my weight is where I started, which is on the left leg. So you're basically doing the same thing, okay, on your front and your back wall 4 times with the shoulder coming back, and that's a weave step. So let's do it. And basically, you're going to do this twice. So when you come back here, I want you to do it again because she's singing the verse. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you don't turn. You're going to turn on the second one. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half, 7, and 8. Last step is on your left. Okay? And you're going to go to your left with the right leg. Weave. 1, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Remember, you stay here. You're going to turn the second time. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So this is a great time, instructor, to teach your beginners how to weave. Okay? Now, done. So we do that twice. So when you come back here, you do it again. That's part 1. Part 2 is you're going to do it all 4 walls. part one, you do it at the front and the back wall. When you come back, you do it again, front and back wall. Then when you come back, you go to part two. Part two, you're going to do on all four walls. Real simple, starting with a salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, out 7, 8. Then the V step. 1, 2, back 3, 4, step pivot to your left, quarter turn. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is right, left, right, left. So we did a salsa. 1, 2, back 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter turn to your left, 5, 6, which is right, left, 7, 8 is right, left. And then you're going to do that step again at all four walls. So that's really two things that you're doing. Okay? The same step at all four walls. Go into your salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. Right, left, quarter turn to your left, right, left. And when they make that quarter turn, they don't have to do it all in one turn, okay? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 beats just to make a quarter turn. So let that step be small, because you don't want to get to this wall and then they have to wait for the beat, okay? So make it small. 5, 6, 7, 8, and when you get there, you go right into your salsa step. 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, back 3, 4, 2 quarter turns to your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa. 1, 2, back 3, 4, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. And when you finish, your weight is on the left. All right? So let's put that together. Real simple, guys. It's real simple. So instructors, when you have a beginner class, you don't necessarily just have to keep the dance to 32 counts, okay? This is easy enough. They can do it. They're doing the basic steps anyway. And it's an easy way to transition them into this dance here and doing more than 32 counts, okay? Perfect dance. 2 parts. You're just doing part 1 4 times, part 2 4 times, all 4 walls, okay? The steps are not complicated, and there's a small tag, very small, okay? So let's start over again. Weave. Weight is on the left. You're going to the left with the right leg. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5, 6, half turn, 7 and 8. Weave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half 7 and 8. Weave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half 7 and 8. Salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa. 1, 2, back 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You done. So whenever she sings the chorus, the chorus, that's what you're going to do. That's it. Now, I'm going to give you the rotation. So let me give you the tag. Don't get nervous. It isn't hard at all. Cross stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2. Back 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm 5, 6, 7, and 8 because I'm going to do the same thing on the left, okay? That's it. That's your tag. And I'm going to do it again and get back to my front. To the front. In the dance. Here we go. Cross stroke. So the weight is on the left. Hit that right leg. Cross stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock up. 1, 2. Rock easy. 5. 1. I'm sorry. 1, 2. Half. 3, 4, 5, 6, which is right, left, and triple. 7 and 8. Right, left, right. You want your last step to be on your right. So we did this on the front wall, on the right foot. Now we want to do the left foot. That's why we're doing the triple step. Cross roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock up. Rock easy. Right, left, right. Okay? Now, do the same thing. Cross roll on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock up. 1, 2, rock. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't do that triple step. That is my transition. Okay, my transition to go into the travel step. So when you do your cross roll on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 6, 7. Out. 8. So I went left, right, left, out, right. Okay. So when you're doing your tag and you have to go back into your weave, you have to do, after you do your walk easy, right, left, left, no, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left, out, right, okay? And that way will start on your left, going to your left, weaving with that, stepping on that right, okay? So when you're going into one step to the other, so we're going from the tag to the part 1, which is your weave. So we use this cross roll, which is on the left. We got to transition to go back into part 1. And here's your transition on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock up. Left, right, half, left, right, right out. And you're ready to go into your weave, going to your left, okay? That's the dance. So let's put it all together, and then I'm going to give you the rotation, okay? The music is so beautiful, okay? So the weight is on the left. Weave. And remember, we're going to do this twice. And let your people know, instructor, if they can do this from the front wall, they can do it from the back wall. It's the same footwork. You don't change it up at all. 5, 6, 7. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple 7 and 8. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn back. 7 and 8. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple 7 and 8. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half, 7, and 8. Salsa. No. Weave again. Remember, we're going to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half, 7, and 8. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then part 2. 1, 2, back 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. V step. 1, 2, back 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, pivot 7, 8. Salsa 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. B-step 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. B-step 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B-step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5, 6, triple 7, and a cross roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, out 8. That's all the parts. Now let me give you the rotation. So here's the rotation. And when you go to the demo, and you'll see the choreographer also. When you put the name of the dance, when the clock strikes, you'll see the choreographer too. All right, you'll see me do the demo. You'll definitely see her, and she also does an instructional. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So the first rotation, you do part 1. Part 1, you're going to do on the front wall, the back wall, the front wall, and the back wall, okay? Then you go into part 2. Part 2 is all 4 rotation. All 4 walls, okay? Then you come back to the front, and then it's the second rotation. The second rotation, she's going to go back into the verse. So you're going to do the front wall, the back wall, the front wall, and the back wall. Then she's going to do the chorus. You're going to do part 2, all 4 walls, and it'll bring you back to the front. Guess what? It's time for your tag, that cross stroll, okay? Now, when you finish doing that tag, which is on the right, you're going to turn back and do it on the left. Remember that transition of the footwork, okay? Because when you do that, you're going to come back to part 1. That's the third rotation. You're going to do it only 1 time. So you do it on the front and the back, the weave, that's it. You don't do it front, back, just the front and the back. Then you go into part 2, which is all 4 walls. When you do that, you go do the tag again, that cross roll, okay? When you turn back, remember that transition with that footwork, because we go back into part 1 with the weave, okay? Only do it 1 time, the front and the back wall. When you come back, you're gonna end with part 2. Part 2, all 4 walls, and then end with your Whitney Houston pose right here, just like that, okay? So watch the video, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you guys. I appreciate each and every time you come back and click on this video. I will post the demo with the music. Also, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience. Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself. We love to see you here in New Orleans. The NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website for detailed information, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.